drawn to philosophy.
A black swan. Not the movie, the idea.
For centuries, Europeans believed all swans were white. They had seen thousands and never a single exception. But then someone spotted a black swan, just one, and the whole belief system collapsed. This is the trap of induction. We think we know something because it's always been true until it's not. Welcome to Drawn to Philosophy. Today we're breaking open the two main ways humans claim to know the truth: induction and deduction. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us share philosophy with the people who will value it most. Induction is how we learn from experience. We look for patterns. Day follows night. Apples fall. Fire burns. And from those patterns, we build general rules. If something has always been true, it is reasonable to expect it will stay true. Until the day it doesn't. That's the fundamental weakness of induction. David Hume, 18th century philosopher, saw the danger in this logic. We never actually see causation. We just see one thing follow another. That's not certainty, it's habit. Just because B always follows A doesn't prove A causes B. One black swan is enough to ruin centuries of certainty. Deduction works differently. It starts with general truths and uses logic to reach necessary conclusions. If A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. If all humans are mortal and Socrates is human, then Socrates must be mortal. That's deduction. Deduction is tidy. Predictable, logically sound. No black swans, no surprises, just logic. Razor sharp, but only as good as your starting point. If your starting point is wrong, the whole structure falls apart. In court, we often think we're using deduction. But this isn't deduction. It's more abduction. Inference to the best explanation. Strong, yes, but not bulletproof. A single black swan, a new piece of evidence, can flip the case upside down. Even Sherlock Holmes, who bragged about being a master of deduction, was really doing abduction most of the time. A true deduction looks more like this. If the only way into this room is with the key, and the room is open, then someone with the key must have entered. That's deduction. Airtight, as long as the rule about the key is true. Science and medicine, however, lean on induction. Every time we test this chemical or drug, it reacts that way. Induction is powerful but never certain. Deduction is certain, but limited within the logic of its premises. Philosopher Karl Popper had a radical idea. Don't waste time counting white swans to validate your claim. Actively hunt for the black ones, even yellow, purple, or polka-dotted if they exist. Anything that shatters the claim, a theory that survives its non-white swans, earns our trust, but never our certainty. Nothing is ever proven, only not yet disproven. Induction explores, deduction secures, and between them lies the fragile bridge we call knowledge. So next time you're sure of something, ask yourself, is this a logical truth? Or just a habit waiting for its black swan? Do you trust reason or experience? Or maybe both? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. More philosophical comparisons are on their way.